For two events C and D, the probability of C is equal to 0.7, P of C union D is equal to 0.9, and the P of C intersection D is equal to 0.3. Find question A, P of D. We take solution. We are going to make use of the combined formula. For A, we know P of C union D is equal to P of C plus P of D minus P of C intersection D. Making P of D the surrogate formula means we have to transfer P of C to the left and negative P of C intersection D to the left. This will give us P of C union D minus P of C plus P of C intersection D, and this will be equal to P of D. P of D will simply be equal to, inserting their numerical values, P of C union D is simply 0.9 minus P of C, which is 0.7, plus P of C intersection D, which is 0.3. This will be equal to 0.9 minus 0.7 gives us 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.3 gives us 0.5, which is P of D. Next, we have to find P of C intersection D prime. For us to answer this, we are going to represent it on a Venn diagram first. Question B, P of C intersection D prime. Let's represent C intersection D prime on a Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. This is C, while this is D. This is the universal set, which is a sample space. C intersection D prime. For D prime, that means elements which are not elements of D. You see that we have to shed this and the outer portion. Intersection C, you see that they intersect just here, which is in C minus C intersection D. So you just take C, then you remove this intersection. C intersection D prime is simply equal to, take the set C, then you remove C intersection D minus C intersection D, like this. It simply means if we take the probability of C intersection D prime, it will simply be equal to the probability of C minus the probability of C intersection D. And this will be equal to, the probability of C is 0.7 from the question minus the probability of C intersection D from the question, it is 0.3. And this will simply be equal to 0.4. Move now to question C. We have to find a P of C prime intersection D. P of C prime intersection D will simply be equal to, representing this on a Venn diagram, we are going to apply the same formula. The formula will almost be like this. We are going to replace a C with D. This will give us P of D minus P of C intersection D. Now, inserting the numerical values, this will simply be equal to P of D, which we calculated. It gave us 0.5 minus P of C intersection D, which is 0.3. And this will give us 0.2. We move now to the next question, question D. We have to find P of D prime intersection C prime. This is simply equal to P of C prime intersection D prime. Now let's represent it on a Venn diagram. Let's represent C prime intersection D prime. This is C, while this is D. This is a universal set, which is a sample space. C prime, this is a C prime, this portion, and the outer portion. Next, D prime, this is D prime, and the outer portion. C prime intersection D prime will simply be out here. This is it. This shaded portion. C prime intersection D prime is simply equal to, take the universal set, the sample space, minus this unshaded portion, which is simply C union D. It simply means if we take the probability of C prime intersection D prime, it will simply be equal to the probability of the entire sample space minus the probability of C union D. The probability of the entire sample space is simply equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1 minus P of C union D. P of C union D, which is 0.9 from the question. And this will simply be equal to 1 minus 0.9 gives us 0.1. Therefore, P of C prime intersection D prime is equal to 0.1. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.